going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 450 Cinder. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal 450 box, which is smaller than all the other boxes. It has 450 on the top of the box. On the side of the box, it doesn't have anything. On the back of it, it says Yeezy 450, made by Adidas. And on the front of the box, it reads Yeezy 450, and the colorway is Cinder, Cinder, and Cinder. Size 6.5. Let's get into this box. We're going to open it up. On the inside of the box, it says, just like all the other 450s, made in Germany, and it's cream tissue paper that's on the inside of the box. Then we're going to pull out the main ingredient that we're here to watch today, and this is the Yeezy 450 Cinder. Alright, this shoe right here came out March 24th for the retail price of $210, which is $10 more than they used to cost. They used to only be $200, but with the uprise in all prices of all shoes, these has went up to $210. This colorway was Cinder, which is supposed to have been a brown colorway, but this is gray. So I'm guessing they just decided to switch up the colorway because the mock photos before was like a brownish looking color, but as we can see right here, this is a dark gray colorway. It could also be like a dark gray that kind of turns into like a dark greenish looking color if you look at it real closely. I'm not really seeing any brown anywhere in it, but I guess it depends on the lighting because it could be a dark brown, but this right here is gray. This is dark gray color, and yeah, no browns nowhere. So let's get into the shoe. All right, you got your whole Primeknit going around the whole shoe, which as we can tell is a sock-like type of shoe because you put your foot in like this, not like any normal shoe made like all the normal 450s. You got this cage, or what everyone calls it, the dumpling, that's on the side of the shoe, and this dark gray rubber. On the bottom of the shoe, you got your normal little wavy things going on the bottom of the shoe. It's like a dark gray. You got your dark gray shoestrings. No extra shoestrings came with these, and these are the regular laces, no infinity laces. Back of the shoe looks the same as that way. You got your cage coming all the way up the back of the shoe. And then we got on the ankle of the shoe, which is the sock-like material that you enter, that you put your foot in. And yeah, this is the sock-like part of the shoe that it just clings to your ankle, which is very comfortable. I mean, these shoes do not have boosts in it, but they are very comfortable. Like once you put them on, it's like they cling to your foot, and that's it. You go on your way, and you don't have to worry about anything hurting you or anything unless you get the wrong size. And then speaking of the sizing, I would say I would go a half a size up or a full size up, because just because they're gripping onto your foot, you don't want to have your foot be in there very tight, and then after you walk around them all day, your feet be hurting. So I would say half a size up on these or a full size, and you should be good to go. Let's get to the inside of the shoe. It says Yeezy, and that's it on the inside right there. Size, and that's it. This is the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your, well, this one has a hang tag on it. It says Yeezy 450. Same as normal, nothing else extra on it. Let's get to the side of the shoe. You got that cage-like dumpling rubber going around the whole shoe, and it's dark gray. You got your Primeknit gray also coming across the whole shoe, everywhere on there. Your shoestrings, you got your nice gray shoestrings, same as color as the shoe, no infinity laces. On the inside of this shoe also has Yeezy, but it has a globe on the inside of there, I guess for the new way they're supposed to be using recycled materials when you make the new Yeezy. So I guess that's what that symbol stands for. Then you got your ankle. That's the sock-like material coming around the ankle, which is very comfortable. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you got your little waves that's in all gray rubber also. Like I said, this shoe doesn't have any boost in it, but you can't tell because they're so comfortable. Like, when I wear these, it's just like, man, they're just a perfect shoe. You can walk around in it all day. Don't have to worry about them hurting your feet or anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, for the Yeezy 450s, they're just a basic, simple shoe, like sock-like material shoe. As you can see, it looks like a sock once you put it on, and you good to go. I mean, it just depends on if you like this shoe or not. I know a lot of people really don't like these because of how they look, calling them the dumpling or whatever. I was like that at the beginning, but once I got my first pair, I was sold. So I was like, man, I had to get some more pairs. Now they made this new colorway. It's even better because I had the black ones and the white ones. And then now these, I didn't get resin because I really couldn't do nothing with those. But these right here, you can't go wrong with gray. Gray is just like the black. You can pretty much match it up with everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the shoe. I mean, like I said, the whole shoe, sock-like material, very comfortable shoe. Half a size up or a full size up in these, and then you should be good to go. Because I don't know if the inside shoe sock, oh, it does come out. Well, no. Well, mine's not coming out right now, so it's hard to tell if it'll come out of there. Oh, it will come out. So if you wasn't able to have a size up or full size up, then if you had to get your true to size, you're able to take out the inserts with like this, so that might give you a little extra room. This is the inserts that usually come on the inside of the shoe. But like I said, no boost material, so once you take that out, that's all you got down there. So I don't really know how that'll feel since you don't have the boost down there, but it should be okay because like I said, when this is not too much cushion in its own, so if you had to take them out, I think you should be all right. But let's compare it with the dark slates, because everybody like me, I was thinking, man, those look the same exact color, but they're actually different when you put them up together. As you can see, they're two totally different colors. You got your dark black with dark black, and they got a little dark gray in it, and these are just all dark gray. So after I compared them, put them side by side, you can see that they are actually different in the colorway wise, and they're not similar how everyone was thinking that they were so similar. People were saying that they had these and they didn't need these, but I had to get them for myself just to see were they really that close in color. And now that I have them in hand, they're actually not close in color. You can definitely tell the difference in the shoes, and definitely tell the difference in the colorways. So y'all let me know down in the comments below, which color would you go for, if you go for any of them, if you even like the 450s. A lot of people don't like them. I was like that too, but now I'm on the 450 bandwagon, so I love them. But let me know, would you go for the dark slate, the black ones, or would you go for the Cinder ones? That's the dark grayish material. Y'all let me know down in the comments below which one y'all think looks the best, or what color you like, or did you even like the regular cloud whites? I mean, you can't go wrong with these. These were just as nice as those two. So y'all let me know, which one did you like the best out of these three? I know it's another colorway, the resin, but I don't have those, so these are the three I have. And y'all just let me know what y'all think about them. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Continue to like, subscribe, continue to join me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Continue to hit that notification bell so you know when I post all my videos. Comment down there, let me know any comments y'all have. I'll answer everyone back. And that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.